Okay, some polls to help you guys out with this concept so you can see how I'm going to be testing you on this material. All right. Okay, cool. The pictures work. Let me see if I can make the image bigger. All right. Browning in an apple is caused by the release. Oh, let me see if I'm recording. Yep. Sorry, guys. Okay. Browning in an apple is caused by the release of polyphenol oxidase, PPO. The gene for PPO release is activated during times of stress. So when the apple is stressed out, it releases PPO. The apple gets brown. Using biotechnology to silence that gene, biologists were able to change your apples so that they always look good to eat. It's called Arctic apple variety. And we can notice here that the apple is not as brown compared to the conventional apple variety. Honestly, if somebody was slicing me in half, I'd get stressed out too. So here the PPO is not getting released because that gene is silenced. What is this an example of? This is an example of a genetically modified organism. Yeah, okay. So this is very much an example of a genetically modified organism. So it is not a transgenic organism because a transgenic organism has a gene from another organism inside of it. Well, I didn't put any other gene inside of this apple. I just silenced an already existing gene. So it's still a GMO, but it's not a transgenic organism. So A and D can be eliminated for that case. B is not correct. This is not an example of mutation breeding. Okay. The golden glow of streetlights could soon be replaced by trees that glow. Genes make it luminesce, such as green fluorescent protein found in fireflies and jellyfish, as well as red fluorescent protein found in a type of coral that can be used in trees to make them glow. This is an example of This is an example of D, both a transgenic and a genetically modified organism. If you are a transgenic organism, you are by default a GMO. So this is kind of tricky. I promise I won't have a question like this on test A. So A, you are correct. This is transgenic, but you're actually both transgenic and genetically modified. So you're both A and C. D is correct. Yeah, this is a transgenic organism because we actually have genes, GFP, found in fireflies and jellyfish, another organism that's going to be sent into the trees, another organism. Another one is red fluorescent protein found in coral that can also be added. These are transgenic. The gene is coming from another organism and put into the genome of the plant. Calrose 76 rice is similar to its parent calrose, except that it is shorter. This short trait was seen after exposing the rice to gamma rays. Gamma rays basically cause mutations. They're a type of radiation. So if I expose something to gamma rays, so like taking an X-ray yourself, you're more likely to get a mutation in your cells. What is this an example of? Mutation breeding is correct. You are exposing that organism to a mutagen, so gamma rays. In this example, this is occurring in an atomic garden, and Calrose 76 can be purchased today, something that we scientists made back in the day using mutation breeding.